guys. So look my face right now. But earlier I went to Target and bought a few things for the trip and just like in general, like things I actually need. So first off, I got this. Look, it makes a weird sound because of the plastic. I got this color corrector from LA Girl. I don't know if it's good though. Hopefully. So I got this telescopic mascara, the waterproof version, because I do yawn a lot at school. I don't know why, but I don't know, maybe school's just too boring for me. But yeah, I got the waterproof one because of that. And yeah, I just really need it because my other mascara is like running out. Yeah, and then last I got some foaming scrub just for my face because, you know, I need it in this travel size. And I actually really like this. I got this last summer. It's really nice. I'll see you guys later. Oh, my bed is not made. But anyway, this is my black long pants I'm bringing. And then that's the suitcase I'm bringing.
That looks scary.
We're on the way to New York. Not New York, the airport.
Airport lah. San Francisco airport's prettier. So pretty.
Prettier than what?
Pretty, so pretty.
Yeah.
Oakland airport's kind of scary. Actually, I don't want to sleep.
Oh my god.
That's the Samolo. Sunny is my birthday, so when we land, I
Yes.
just say happy birthday to me.
We're going to New York right now. That was funny. Why is this suitcase? Oh, Jonah!
Say thank you to your dad.
Guys, we got our food. Got our food.
Do we eat right now? Like, no,
Eat right now. We have time. Yeah. Filling up water bottles. Stop, I'm putting that in. Guys, we're finding our gig.
Gorshit. Why is there Gorshit?
No, Saturday Gorshit. It's Saturday and Wednesday.
Oh. Okay, we'll see you there.
Who's that? Zidane. No, that's Samo.
Whatever it is. So you guys want to tell us what shit you guys are doing? No? Okay. Why?
How about just the Nyamshi?
Let's do it. We believe in you. We know what it is. Bro, why is it so
Someone told us, bro.
Someone told us.
No one.
No, but we don't want to tell the whole thing.
We're going to find Starbucks, guys.
Wait, oh my god, wait, is there so see like this, like, yeah, I sprained it. I don't remember. It was like, it's been so long since I sprained it, it still hurts.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're coming here later, guys. Let's go. Okay, bye. See you. They're going to the airport now. Okay, bye.
Yo, we're about to go to get Starbucks. You guys are too late.
So Youngsu, once you meet your stepdad, call me, okay? And so we'll meet up. Okay, sounds good. Okay, I don't know why you weren't with us earlier, bruh.
Hi, Nessa.
Nessa. Wow.
She's so cute.
Guys, I'm really gonna take. Hey guys, okay, let's see my outfit, okay? This, and then watch. Berkeley High, represent Berkeley High. I think AC's the best school yet. Yeah, there's been a stabbing at your school, and there's been not even a shooting at ours, so shut up.
What's not even saying anything about her school. She's not even defending her school.
I bet they went to grade. No, our school's good, right, Wissa?
Your school's more so ghetto.
Yeah,
Like, the education is not even good.
Freaking ghetto. We get IB, bro. Like,
No, I know. That's what I love about Berkeley High.
She's trying to hold my hand right now.
That was you. Dora's getting a little weird, guys. I'm getting kind of scared. We're in the SFO museum. There's no Starbucks, guys.
No Starbucks. No Starbucks.
No Starbucks. We're just chilling here. But yeah. I'm so tired. It's already dark outside. Let me show you guys. They're making a TikTok, guys.
Tangmalo, nga Celsius Jingyain, Kashining Anzu, Tiding, Bakasigawa. But I took a melatonin gummy, so pray for me. I'm sorry.
We're boarding the flight, guys. Who's recording now?
What's it?
I'm telling you.
We're gonna die.
We're on the plane. We're in our seats, guys. Kincha wants to switch seats with us. She wants to go up.
So I'm scared of flying, and this bitch is talking about how scared she is and stuff. Like, I'm not already scared enough.
Look at this girl.
Mala.
She's so funny. Guys, we're finally going. There was an issue with this lady. And our friend.
For Jumbo Flight 616 service to JFK, New York. My name is Hazel. Pleasure to be flying with Adam, Nene in the back. I got Chris in the front here with me. Today's estimated flight time is 5 hours and 48 minutes.
And she doesn't want to say like super joke like come on, like no offense, but
Do you know what time we get there?
6 a.m. 6:30.
Oh. on the right one. Guys, we made it finally after so long. After like 3 wrong addresses. Everyone else is here, I'm pretty sure. Like the last people, but we made it anyway. On the way to dance practice. Going to Starbucks now after dance practice. We're walking, but we need to wait for Dora because she needs to get her money. Yeah, more up.
We're gonna be in the city, bro.
In the city.
22!
Got Starbucks. And now we're going back because he brought us lunch.
Give me Tia.
Guys, Brian told
We
me I
have to
look
go
like
for
Farmer
it.
Abraham.
Kimchi.
Really?
Kimchi sit. What's it? I said, can I for do you know what this was? Yeah.
Guys, we got our Starbucks and everything, and now we're going to our hostel to stay there. Cause check-in's at 4 and it's like 2.
Oh yeah, guys. April 31st, bring your
Hold
own.
on. We get it. We get it. $100.
So for $100, you get to go to Sephora, bring any size of bag you want, and fill everything in 10 minutes. Anything you want. It's only $100.
We made it in our room. Let me show you guys. This is our room, guys.
Wait, guys. Do you see my vision? Green top.
Yeah.
Close to the door. Do you see my vision?
Bye. That's the bathroom. We're going. Finally. Everyone's in this car. There's people in the back over there. The boys. I'm really excited, but I'm nervous.
It's like New York. New York, and yeah, it's like New York, like.
So cute. Made it to the venue. But there are some people with like shirts on. But some of them they don't got that.
Just let me tell you a lot. Let's just say hi. Smile.
사회 가족이 챙이 샤규 예마타
사회 doktor과 절친
사회 doktor과 절친 사회 가족이 챙이 예마타 사회 가족이 챙시 샤규 예마타
We made it back to the hotel, guys. We're going back to our room.
What's the garbage?
I like it. I like your tie. I like it. Okay. Just let me tell you a lot.
Getting it out. We're going Walgreens and Dora got stuff. I don't know, Keisha was saying something.
What am I these?
Okay. No, it's okay, just leave them.
Mac and cheese. I didn't eat good because I didn't.
There's no chutou though.
There's chutou down there.
Yeah?
There's a microwave.
Oh.
How much was one?
There's 2.
That's $2
Yeah, I'll buy it for you.
for both?
For one. I'll buy it. Come on. I'll buy a 4-pack. How about that?
Long arm, me. It's okay.
Take it. I'll buy it for you. Come on.
No, I can't eat.
I'll just buy this bucket chips. You're gonna buy anything?
그래 하고 싸면 like 봐. So just get it. If you
Do you
didn't
want mac
eat
and
good.
cheese? I'll buy it for you.
I'll buy it.
Okay, you want mac and cheese? Come on. Yeah, you want to buy?
I don't want mac and cheese though.
Then push on.
Are you gonna eat it?
She
I don't
wants
want to be
it
the only
though.
one eating
Then I'll
it.
eat it with you.
Buy it for me. I'm really full, that's why. But I don't want. I'm not gonna eat a lot. I'll eat a little bit.
We have a curfew and we're passing it in.
We're basically done though. But yeah.
You gotta switch that way.
Hey guys, it's competition day. Going over there. Kinch's back. They gave us breakfast and it's like about to start. And we're about to watch the sea ship in there. We're about to. We can't. We're about to do the Gilmore. Yeah. There's not a lot of people right now though. And Kinch is back. Say hi to the vlog.
소주 당나는 고기 몇씩 넘는 뺏어한다. 공개체는 수마 진행 계산인 모술 공업생자 대표가 공매도 방법한 공모전지 이게 공모전지 대라. 수마 계산력을 비교하자. 공모 댄스 낭세 공모전지 다들 공모 세양 이가 방모 공모전지 분간 나와 지가고 댄스 질라 공모전지 가수 공모전지 세를 공모전지 대기 주마상 나와 댄스 주관 노사이 계산 뉴욕 댄스 질레 댄스 댄스 기업 공모전지 대주 자식 공모전지 초기 주마 남주 기세 대박 여기 뒤에 사표 남긴 수인함 양천 주배 도시인 장자 주배 도시인 뒤면 삼보다인
뒤에 쌈보다이.
예스 거기다 잘 거기다 주적이 깨마죠 깨마죠
It's time for debate, guys.
주적이 시간대 나된 동제 나된이 동제
上那边我电信讲错了，说啊就说是对人就说，对，红色错了，我说我把全部苦上我都当呢，黑人的干，上阿里三处落张卡我，
남자 경제관 남기 따위에 밑다 호배니 공사 탐의 남제 감교의 계획 방법 탐지의 켄지 시빠지를 줘라 우승 부차 우회도 당내 대린 비간 장 아니 산출롭다 카 우회기 결랭 대도도 우회도 19경배 운영조
中央都六原来六中当队，不过礼拜天就当队，迎接民警不过礼拜天就当队，当队的就在台里地写的，就是这。
이제나 지금 배랑 보였어 부산다 결혼 기간아 보고 쭉 리바 별이 넘겨를 나사 근데 보고 때 걔와 당 리바 차야 말아 당기다 이게 장거라 이게 마장이라 시작해서 너 출장 그리야 다가 항상 가만 이게 장거라 원래 지금 지사 탑시치고 정의를 준주시고 탑시치고 이게 장거래 원래 탑시치고
Guys, it's almost time to perform.
더리기 리제된도 탱당부 탐의 초동기 안그 당보 갸자 တွင်ကြတွင်ကျွတွင်တွင်တာထောင်ကျွကြည့်ကြည့်နမ်ကျွကေဆာရဖဲရောနာရဖဲရောနာ
Okay guys, so we got the most viral ice cream, so we're gonna try it out. So I got the strawberry, so let's try that out.
And I got the grape one. I've seen this the most.
I've never seen the strawberry, which is the reason why I'm curious. Why don't you do like
This is not
no, open this, open it. Let's go for that. Go for it.
Okay, one.
this is not
On this.
Like this.
lollipop donut.
I already Okay, let me try it.
Check it. Be careful. Did you already try it?
No, I with you.
Like 3, 2, 1.
How much was it?
I don't know.
Oh, this is good.
Wait, this is like como que? You're so chocolate.
This is so good.
Why do you eat this so chocolate?
This is what?
Why are you guys so chocolate?
Okay, I told her. I was like, you're not getting any with that.
Guys, we're eating breakfast. I got a croissant and egg. She got a quesadilla and she got a sandwich.
Quesadilla.